Guys, listen, in this video, what I'm going to be doing is another unboxing. Now, you know I love unboxings. It really gives me an opportunity to like get loads of different items in, mix them up, show you guys exactly what these items are saying, and also try them on as well so you guys can see exactly what these fits are like. Now, if you're liking videos like this, make sure to go ahead and leave a comment. Don't forget to like this video. And if you're not a subscriber already, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, because this is the perfect place to find out about menswear clothing and all that type of good stuff, okay? This video has been sponsored by 7 Store. Now, they've actually got a really nice store based in Liverpool, and they do all types of really cool brands like Moncler, Outerwear, CP Company, APC, Off-White, Aries. They also do Canada Goose, Rick Owens, and all these other really cool brands as well, so it's definitely worth checking them out. Now, as this video goes live, they are actually doing a sale right now, so make sure to go and check that out because their sales are pretty decent. I know one of my followers messaged me just a couple of days ago saying that he picked up a pair of Off-White trainers that were 275 and they went down to like 192. We also have a 15% off exclusive discount code, which is not available anywhere else, and that will get you 15% off selected brands. That does include some selected Moncler, Canada Goose, CP Company, and some Off-White accessories as well. Now, a lot of the items I will be covering today in the video will also be on sale. You will find lots of bargains in there, lots of really good deals, okay? I'm gonna do a try on and show you all these different menswear clothing. So make sure you kick back, have a good time, and enjoy the video. Let me show you this box first off. One second. Right, that's the box here. That's the massive box I got sent from 7 Store. So first things first, let's check out what's inside this box, and let's do this unboxing. Let's get to it. Listen, I've got all the items on the rail. I've got quite a few t-shirts, so that's going to be good for summer selections. 2 pairs of shorts, one from Moncler, one from APC, and I think even for the APC I've got like a full t-shirt and shorts selection. So anyway, look, I'm going to go through all the pieces, working my way up from the lighter pieces straight through to the more heavier pieces. The first item I want to show you is by APC, which is right here. A simple APC t-shirt with a belt finish on the front. APC, they've been going on for quite some time. They're actually a French brand, and when they first came out, they were more renowned for their raw denim, but over the years they've become really popular and they've expanded their collection. They've done collaborations with Kid Cudi, Suzanne Collar, who is a fashion director, and also an LA brand called Brain Dead. Pretty popular over in LA and are getting quite a lot of recognition over here as well. This piece here actually goes alongside the APC shorts. But now this would be quite a simple summer drop, quite a lightweight t-shirt. Now the shorts are a size medium and the top is a size large, okay? Now, the second item I want to move on to is this brand called Aries. You might have seen Aries already. They've been getting quite a lot of prominence as of late, but actually the history of Aries is quite interesting. If you know about the skateboard brand called Palace, the designer of the Palace symbol, that kind of like triangle, guy that designed that, Fergus Purcell, is actually the co-founder of this brand, Aries. Now, it's got a little bit of an oversized fit and it's got quite a heavier weight cotton material, so it's quite heavy, but I really like this. And the logo here, Aries, has got a really nice finished print to the front. Aries are doing some really cool bits at the moment, so it's definitely worth checking out their t-shirts. They also do quite a lot of hoodies and stuff like that as well. So I think Aries is definitely one to definitely keep an eye out for, just to see what these guys are saying. The next t-shirt that I got in is this, the North Face t-shirt. Interesting summer drop. I did like the netting pocket. It's got this kind of net pocket, and also it's got North Face on the back in a nice screen print there. I thought this would be a nice, interesting summer drop. I think this goes well with a nice pair of shorts. and also some slim fit jeans. It's also a little bit more of a oversized fit. This one is actually a size large as well, and all the t-shirts that you see on the rail here are all a size large. But yeah, that's the North Face tee. This brand here I've been seeing for quite a long time, and a lot of people have been asking me to get this in. This is Marcelo Burlon. Marcelo Burlon is a fashion designer and also a fashion events organizer, and he's organized a lot of events for the likes of Gucci, Alexander McQueen, Raf Simons, and a whole bunch of other brands as well. But he's actually his very own fashion designer. You must have seen these tops where it's got like the kind of bird wings that are going across the top of the t-shirt. Quality of this is actually really quite nice. I was quite surprised. It's almost feels like a light sweatshirt in terms of the material. Personally, I think this is really well made and really good quality. The designs on the front are also quite interesting as well, but for a quality t-shirt, I think the finishing on this one is quite good. This would go really nice with a pair of shorts, and also sort of like denim jeans and cargo pants or something like that. Pretty nice, that one. Now the next t-shirt I got in, I just felt like I was a little bit underwhelmed by this one. This is the 1017 Alix 9SM. This is the Matthew M. Williamson who co-founded this brand. Matthew M. Williamson has actually done a lot of collaborations with Nike as of late, so you will see a lot of those collections that have come through. I think they've done like a puffer jacket. I've done a review on a puffer jacket. They've done quite a few different trainers and stuff like that. But 1017 Alix 9SM is a pretty popular brand at the moment. Again, that is a size large on that one. Moving on to the Moncler piece. Remember, you can get 15% off selected Moncler using our code. I couldn't remember if it works on this t-shirt, but I know it did work on quite a few items. Notably, it also works on CP Company, Canada Goose, and as I said, some selected Moncler pieces as well. The oversized logo, which some people love and some people do not love. It's also got a screen print on the back of the t-shirt that works its way around to the front. The material of this is quite light. It's premium cotton mix, and I do feel something like this will be quite nice for the summertime because it's not too heavy. I feel like it's just the right weight. A little bit oversized as well, so I feel like you're going to get a nice bit of kind of airflow through this one, as it's not too tight at all. Again, this is a size large, okay? As always with the Moncler, you will get the hologram that comes inside the front there. If you look very carefully at the hologram, you'll see there's a black line right in the center there. When you see this black line, that is an indication that the hologram and the item is genuine, because what I've noticed is a lot of the counterfeiters now have managed to mimic this hologram, but they don't put that black line in the middle, so make sure to check that out. Now that's not a 100% foolproof way for you to check, but as I said, I have noticed a lot of counterfeiters are not putting that black line in the middle of the hologram, so that's one thing to note as well. This is the Moncler 1952 t-shirt, so this is like a bit of a special piece. Now moving on to Comme des Garçons t-shirt. Now a lot of you would have seen Comme des Garçons already with the little kind of love heart, kind of like their emblem. Funny enough, a lot of people think this brand is actually French, but it is actually a Japanese brand, and they're quite popular. This is like a simple t-shirt, quite a nice weight to it. Pretty nice summer drop, I would say. Would go well with a nice pair of black shorts or something like that, or even a nice pair of slim fit jeans, white trainers. I can imagine this could be quite a good fit for the summertime. A low-key brand, nothing too out there, and something that could be a little bit interesting as a summer drop. Right, moving on to Comme des Garçons again, but this is the spring summer hoodie. This one is a size large. Probably going to be a little bit too hot for this one now, because I feel like we're bang in the middle of summertime. When we're coming into seasons like spring, or when we're moving into the autumn time, I think something like this could be a nice drop. The material is quite interesting as well. It does feel like a bit like a polyester mix with cotton, so it's not too heavy on this one. I do feel like it's a nice weight again for more autumn or more springtime. I would rock this with a pair of shorts or a nice pair of slim fit jeans. I think this would work pretty well. Right, so moving on to some heavier pieces now. So definitely something that's going to be more for autumn time. A lot of people asked me to review this, so I thought I'd get this in. It's the Canada Goose Hybrid. Now, as I said, our code does work on Canada Goose on the 7 Store website, so you can use that code. But yeah, this is the Canada Goose Hybrid jacket. This one I believe is a size large. This is the newest season Canada Goose. Down insulation, elasticated fabric down the side underneath the arms. This fabric actually allows a little bit of airflow to go inside the jacket, so it does help to regulate the temperature. But again, this one is for more kind of like spring, autumn, I would say. It's quite a comfortable piece, pretty nice. You get the 15% off, then I think that could be a good cop when you're ready for the autumn time on that one. But yeah, that is the Canada Goose hybrid jacket. Right, moving on to one of Moncler's popular pieces is the Moncler Acarus, coming out every season. It's one of their popular models, the Acarus. This one is actually a size 4. Let me just check. Yep, size 4. Size 1 is a small, size 2 is a small medium, size 3 is a medium, size 4 I would say is a large, size 5 is an XL. It's not water resistant, so some people might be disappointed by that. Inside you have the hologram of this jacket, and as I showed you before, you know it's a genuine hologram when you see that little black line and the 3 little dots in there. When you see that, you know that it is genuine. We have the Moncler puffer jacket. Now, when I first saw this, I thought it looked quite cool, but to be honest with you, when I've seen it in person, I do feel like I'm a little bit underwhelmed by it. It is a nice piece, but maybe the colors are just a little bit too much. This one is the Moncler, let's check the name, Freeland. It's got the different emblem front there, nothing on the side of the arm. Now, I know people love the Moncler emblem on the side of the arm, but this one is a little bit different. I think this one is a standout piece enough, and you wouldn't want any other colors to clash this one. So if I'm going to rock this, I will definitely have plain or darker colors to go along with this one, okay? In terms of footwear, we've got the Nike Hirashi trainers, which are one of my favorite Nike trainers, and we've come out with this interesting, cool OG colorway. These ones were available at 7 Store. One thing about 7 Store is they do quite a lot of interesting releases. You can always jump onto their releases section, trainer section, to see what type of releases are coming out. Definitely, as you know, I'm a big fan of the Nike trainers, but yeah, that one's quite cool. Another trainer that I thought would be a little bit different is the New Balance. Now, I know a lot of people are not gonna agree with me on these ones, but I actually think these are nice. I've seen quite a few people rocking these, and I thought they were quite interesting. Lightweight trainer. I love the way that the sole comes all the way up at the back there, and you've got the little dots. Good with shorts, go well with a nice pair of slim fit denim jeans. Tried these on already, and they are super comfortable as well. Yeah. Adidas Craig Green collaboration trainer. Craig Green has also done a lot of collaborations with Moncler in the past, with the Moncler C collection. He's now started to do a lot of collaborations with Adidas, and these are one of the ones that I've seen with the boost sole inside. Nylon, almost see-through material. Now, a lot of people, again, are not going to be feeling these, I reckon, but I just love stuff that's a little bit different nowadays. Don't like stuff that kind of like everyone's got. There's something that's just a little bit interesting and a bit out there sometimes, I think can be quite cool. But I thought these were actually really nice. They're so soft as well with the boost. I do believe these are going down in the sale as well. So guys, that is it for the video. That's all the items I've tried for the different selections. I hope you like the different brands that I showcased to you. Now, as I said, all the items on here are available from 7 Stores. They will be having a sale that's happening just now. Go ahead and leave the comments in the comments box below. Let me know what items were your favorite. Don't forget to share, and don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll be sure to be doing more videos like this in future, okay? Guys, I'm out of here. Lots more coming.